Hi, it's Luke from Jackson Woodturners, and today we're going to have a quick look at what's included in the rail in the box kit. I've got one here in front of me, which is the oak pre-finish one with chrome fittings. So why don't I open it up and have a look what's inside. Included in every box is a handrail that goes up to 3.6. You get 4 handrail brackets and a pair of end caps. All screws are also provided, but not the wall pugs. Inside itself, here we have are the 4 brackets, all individually wrapped. Included in the box is the bracket, and inside that packet itself is the handrail bracket that slides through with the screws. In another box, we also have the end caps that slide onto the end of the rail. Again, these are individually wrapped, which come with the fixing to go onto your rail itself. And then we go onto the rail itself. We have one box that has 2 rails in, and we also have another one that is individual. And inside that, it comes pre-wrapped in cellophane to protect the pre-finish. And with the handrail sliding straight through, you can take that off at the end of the project. I hope this helps and you understand what comes included in the kits. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and don't forget to like and follow our page. Thanks for watching.